Great. So my name is Robert Gardner. I'm the Director of Government Relations at Lime. And I'm here to talk to you about this new and amazing product that we're bringing to Norfolk. This is our newest, latest, and greatest bike. So in order for you to take this bike, essentially what you're going to want to do is first pull out your phone and download the Lime app. Once you download the Lime app and enter your information into the Lime app, you'll be able to open and see where our bikes are, where our scooters are. So to begin your journey with the bike, effectively what you're going to do is you're going to open the app and you're going to scan this code right here. There's a button in the app which enables you to scan the vehicle. At that point in time, what's going to happen is this lock right here, which will normally be locked like this, will unlock and it will retract just like that. At that point in time, you're ready to start your ride. So before your ride, you want to make sure, one, that the seat is at the right height for you. I'm an 8, so that's the right size for me. You're going to want to take a look over the bike, make sure the tires themselves are full, make sure there's no obstructions anywhere near your bike. Next, you're going to want to go to whatever mapping tool you use, and you're going to want to put your destination on. Here, you can then put your phone so you can see exactly where you're going to be going. You're going to want to check your battery here, which if it's out, it will probably be high. Then, to familiarize yourself with the bike, you just want to check on your left side that you have a rotary bell. On your right side, you have an internally routed Stormy Archer 3-speed hub. So if things get difficult while you're riding, you can go to a higher gear. And then additionally, you want to make sure that the brakes themselves are nice and tight. At that point in time, just like any other bike, you're going to put the kickstand up, put your helmet on, hop on the bike, and be on your way. Just that simple. Now, when you end your ride, hopefully you're ending your ride either at a bike rack or you're ending your ride at one of the many corrals that the city of Norfolk has now put in. What you're going to do is you're going to stop your ride. You're going to take your lock. You're going to lock it. Inside, there's a hole right here that's going to signal the bike itself that you're ending your ride. You then, in your app, will take a picture to make sure that you've ended your ride responsibly. At that point in time, it will show you your trip, the trip that you took. It will show you, obviously, your receipt. And at that point in time, your ride is now over. Just remember, don't leave your phone in the slot.
Now, you said earlier Google.
Yes. So there are a number of different ways for you to rent one of these vehicles. Way 1 is through the Lime app. Way 2 is through the Uber app. So our vehicles are located in the Uber app. When you open the Uber app, you'll be able to click bicycles, which shows your scooters, and additionally it's going to show your bikes as well. And also on Google Maps, our vehicles are integrated. When you push the bicycle, go to your destination and then push bicycle as the direction, you will see the closest vehicle available to you. Cool. Excellent. And just make sure you ride safe. Don't ride on the sidewalks downtown. And have a good time.